Are you chilling?
The victim's wife, Ricky Decker.
Secret again? Gosh, John, how many secrets? I told you we don't have any secrets.
We're married 2 weeks ago. And I always believed
JP Ruby, why don't you search the estate high up and low down?
Drying my
Try and
hair.
find us this wig and robe.
So this is one of the advantage when you have a wood burner, you don't need a hair dryer. But would I recommend it? No. Because afterwards, your hair will be smells like smoke.
Wow.
I am inside in my car, mga palangga, and look, it is starting to snow. OMG. Look at dyan. Bye! Good morning! Good morning, honeybee. Gosh, why it's so white? Good morning, honeybee.
She's been so naughty this morning.
No, please don't say that to them.
She's been naughty. She wouldn't get out of bed.
No, that's not true. So anyway, the time here is 11 o'clock and we will have an early dinner because we have a mission today. May mission kami, so kain muna kami bago alis kasi hindi ko muna sasabihin. I will not tell you where we're going yet, but yeah, that's the plan. We're going somewhere. Jen say it's secret.
You need to put your woolly gloves on.
Oh, freezing.
You need to wear your woolly hat today.
I am eating the leftover sinigang and a bit of rice. And John is having a sandwich. And to those people who are saying that I don't know how to cook, you should cook your husband. You should cook your husband. You should cook your husband.
You should cook your husband.
Every time we have meals, it's John's choice not to have a proper meal because John says that his proper meal is our tea time, which is our dinner. She gets
hot, beautiful sinigang and I get measly little sandwich.
Honey, correct them. They are saying that to me that I don't know how to cook.
I have a cooked meal twice a day. I have a cereal for breakfast, then I have a sandwich for lunch, and then I have a proper meal in the evening.
Yeah.
And that is more than enough. Because if we're just eating like that, cooked meals, I'll be chunky monkey. Won't I? I'll be a chunky monkey like you.
No, your hands are freezing. We're going. So handsome, aren't you, John?
Don't know, Mum.
Yes, you are.
I'm a vlogger now, apparently.
Yeah, you're a vlogger now. You've done a really good job vlogging that. We are here, and so mga palangga, I will tell you now where we are going because I don't want you to expect so much and later on you will just say, ay, yun lang pala. So we are going to charity shop. I just love going to charity shop, and like twice a month we go to charity shop. That's how I love going to charity shop because there's a lot of good clothes in charity shop. They're brand new, or I don't mind using second-hand clothes. I always love it because way back in the Philippines we have this called Changi. It's full of second-hand clothes, and oh, that's my turn on talaga. Gustong gusto ko pumunta sa mga Changi, mga ukay-ukay ba. Oh gosh, I miss that. We are home. I am sorry I did not vlog when we went to charity shop. And as usual, my head is aching. I don't know why. But when we are in charity shop, we spend there for like 5 hours. But I'm having trouble to find my size. And sometimes when we went to different charity shops, I find my size, but I don't like it. So I ended up buying one item only. Here it is. No, we did not went to Next. I just take a bag with me. So, ito yung nabili ko. It's a knitted jacket. I think it is a jacket. Yeah, ito siya. Hoodie siya. And it is a Ted Baker, and this is from British Heart Foundation, and it only cost me £7. Oh, you see? It's such a good bargain. That's why I love going to charity shop. See, tamang-tama to sa malamig na panahon. I-try natin, ha? Dali lang. Oh, tamang-tama to if you have like tummy top. It's good. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! I could imagine this wearing with tummy top underneath. Kasi ito kasi yung sinuot ko ngayon is medyo thick siya. So, parang naging bulky. Ano ba? Hala? Akala ko sira yung... There, hindi naman sira yung ano. Oh, ang ganda niya ay. Good choice. Such a good choice. Diba? By the way, mga palangga, update for Phoebe. Phoebe is now 100% well. Come here, come here. She's now 100% well. And she has no diarrhea anymore. Look at her. Come on, Phoebe. Phoebe, hello. Let's go. Let's go out here. Come on, hang on. Hello, you two. Hello. Hello. Look at you. Oh, God.
Hey.
Mama is cold.
Wait.
Come on, you two. Oh, I'm glad that Phoebe is feeling better now. Look at her.
She's fine. And I'm freezing.
That should be fine, hopefully. So, right now, mga palangga, I am trying to make a pancake. I hope this will be successful. So, this is my mixture. And yes, I just want to address this, that we have a hand mixer. Did you remember that a video that I am making a cheesecake and I was whipping the cream by my hand? And there's a lot of you messaging you should get you should get a hand mixer. We actually got a hand mixer, but that time kasi I was using a double cream, and the reason I did not use the hand mixer is I use a double cream at that time, and you know, double cream is just so easy. You could over whip the cream. So I decided not to use it and whip it by my hand so I can control the, you know, the whipping. But you know what I mean. So that's why I did not use this. Fail. John is here. Can you try to toast it? Go on. It's your turn to toast it.
You toss it.
No, I cannot.
You know,
Can you try?
It's easy to do, darling, yeah.
Oh, yeah! Well done! Oh, well done! Well done! Gosh, I don't know how. Let me try. It will fall off. No!
You should burn fingers.
No!
Is that, darling?
This probably need a little bit of force.
So you didn't like your coffee, obviously. Did you?
I do like my coffee.
You didn't drink it.
I just forgot about it. My pancake is very successful. Last time I make a pancake, it's just not right.
Yeah, well, you've got a proper pan now.
Yeah. And I think this is more on crepe really, because the pancake that I am making right now is very thin. So some people might call it crepe.
Almost how it should be. That's just right thickness.
I bet Jan will
My
like.
mummy used to make them. They're good to eat. I like pancake.
There you are.
You can have bananas and ice cream on them.
Yeah, raspberries. I like raspberries. Like, can you pour it, babe? Because it's the last one. That's it. It's a bit thicker. No, I'm not tossing it. No, I'm not ready. I think that's enough. The finished product of our pancake. That looks very good.
Proof is in the eating, darling.
Ah! So are you saying it's bad?
Oh, I just said the proof is in the eating.
Oh, that's very hot now. Yes. Come on, try it.
Is that the fat one?
That's the fat one. So we're just gonna put a lemon and a bit of sugar. That's all what we're gonna do.
I'm not putting sugar on it.
You're not putting sugar.
No. Take the plate. There you go.
Is it alright?
It'd be better if you had sugar on it, but it's not in it. Took out sticky fingers now.
I'm so proud with my pancake. The recipe is, I will put the recipe in the description below. That's it for me today. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much mga palangga. I will see you in my next video and bye. Mwah, mwah.